TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hey folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I've got to go a little slow today, folks, because my voice is weak, but I think I can cover today. There is a book out today, or it's out in October. It's 1929 by Andrew Ross Sorkin. It's 500 pages, folks, of the best research on the 1920s that you'll ever find. I highly recommend the book. It's on the New York bestseller list. It costs more to mail the book to you than the pages in it. 500 pages. It only costs $20. And gosh, that's the cost of a half a glass of wine. Anyway, take a look at that book, folks. It's really got some stuff in it. They had Andrew Ross Sorkin on one of the YouTube programs last night, and he was going over all the things that had happened, and the guy said to him, he said, well, you expecting a 1929 type crash? He said, no. He said, I'm fully invested. He said, I think it's different this time. When I heard those four words, it's different this time, I said to myself, oh my goodness, this is a guy that wrote the book Too Big to Fail, in a movie that was really great, and he also, one of my favorite series, Billions, he was involved in that too. So really smart dude. All right, we've got some new highs made today in Goldman Sachs and also in Caterpillar. They're now sharply lower on the day out. First, I'll show you here. There's Goldman Sachs. You can see it opened a little bit higher. That's when the Dow was up about 350. And then the next one we will take a look at here as we're moving along. So many things happening today. The most important one, you're going to have to wait until the break comes up here, because that's the one that I think is going to be really interesting. Now, here's Caterpillar. Move this out of the way here. I'll get it out of the way so you'll be able to see it. See, Caterpillar also made a new high and took out yesterday's low. I don't know if that means very much or not, but that's what happened to that, so far today. So we're going to cover some of these things, but the most important announcement will come when we come back from the break. So let's take a little break. Let's check with our good friend Al to make sure that I didn't have my clock up here on the wall. I probably got 36 seconds left. Yeah, that's the old. And here we'll take a look at the price of, hold on 1 second here, of our Treasury bonds. It's another one that's not doing very well. You can see we just made a 382 after the Head and Shoulders. We'll be right back, folks. Stay tuned.